Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Jay. It's time once again to ATC with me. So I'm creating my monthly ATC cards just to keep my creative mojo going. And I like to have little projects that I know I got to complete and that I'm going to work on. So creating these ACT cards does this for me. And so since this is the month of February, I wanted to create something that had to do with love and Valentine. So let's get started and welcome to my new subscribers. Welcome to my friends who've been with me for a long time. I'm glad you're here. Hope you too are also doing something that helps you maintain your creative mojo. And if you don't have something to do that does that for you and you're kind of stuck for a little bit, come ATC with me. I'm putting out my ATCs. I do 2 a month, and they usually have a theme. That's because, like I said, this is Valentine's Day, and being Valentine's month and the month of love, my ATCs will center around love and just happiness and joy. So let's go with here. Now I cut out some hearts and I want to put those down. I was going to pop them up a little bit, but I think I won't. I think I'll keep the hearts kind of flat. I think I want one here. Now, they don't have to be, some people, you can do them. Sometimes I do real dimensional ones. Sometimes I don't. It all depends on how I'm feeling when I'll just load it up with gobs of layers and everything like that. Sometimes I'll do that. But this one, I think I will just keep it a little bit simple. I got this sticker book here from Hobby Lobby that I want to use. So that's where I'm getting my stickers from. And I may pop it up on foam. I guess I should have got my foam out. If I was thinking of popping something up, I should have had my foam out. And you know what, friends? Now, for some reason, my foam's way over here, so forgive me. It's taking a little bit more time. And they're supposed to be, just little quick projects that you can do. You don't have to do a whole bunch. Just keep your creativity going. Just keep it going. So let me pop this up here like this. Hope you can see. Hope I'm in camera, because sometimes I get out of camera and I don't even realize it. So my thing in here is going to be I heart you. Like that. I want to put some little hearts in here, some baby hearts. Baby hearts. So I want to put the baby heart right there, like that. And they're dimensional within themselves. They have little, as you can see, I cut them out of a little corrugated thing. Let me bring you down a little bit so you can kind of see what I'm doing. Hope I don't have much glare there. I think I do have glare though. I think I have a lot of glare there. Let me see. Sorry. Kind of looking at it to see what I got going on. I got some dark streak over here. Let's see what that's all about. I don't know what's doing that, but I hope that it's not too much. I don't know which one's doing it. Which light is doing it? Well, let me get back with my project, though. I'll hope that light there doesn't bother you too much. So let me get back with it. So I can see that light right there fiddling in my mess, making it got that little bit of darkness there, but it's okay. Let me bring you down some more so you can see what I'm doing. So I got my dimensional hearts there. I heated up my hot glue gun because I wanted to add these little bratty type things here. So I want to put this, I want to put the cherry right there. I'm going to have to let it dry a bit. I'm going to put that there. And I had these other hearts that I want to put. I thought I wanted to put the hearts there, but I think I want to put the lips on it instead. So I think, oh, my glue gun. So I want to put the lips on it instead. So I'm going to put a little glob of glue there. And boom, put my lips down. There. See, that's the only thing about glue there. I'll have to dig that out. That's the only thing about hot glue. It does make a little mess there. There. Okay, so that's my first card. I heart you. I love you. Okay, so that's my first one. I was going to put this on there, but I don't think I need it. I think I like this one just the way it is. So we'll push this one to the side. And let's do my next one. My next one, I have this die for this little bear that I've had for a little bit of time. And I said to myself, little bear, I had to do a little paper piecing with him. Paper piecing is not my thing, but I want to get good at it. So therefore, I got my little guy there. Now I'm going to prop him up a little bit. I put a little thing on the back so that his little self, so that little heart wouldn't be so flimsy. So the heart wouldn't be so flimsy. Because sometimes you get some stuff and get a little flimsy. Because you cut them out and then it's a little flimsy there. So don't forget, when you, if you participate, use the hashtag ATC with me and post it on YouTube, Instagram, or wherever your social media is. And I will go over and look at it and comment. And I'll be glad if you participate with me because it's just a small thing. This one's probably a little bit longer than I wanted it to be. But I need to get some words for this one. I had this one. Let's see. I picked out I love you right there. He's all propped up there. Hope his little ears don't mess it up for me. Oh, you can still see it. So he's a little propped up. And I fixed him there. So I don't just keep him just nice and simple. There we go. That's sealed down there. There's my 2 ATCs for the month. And I'm concentrating on the Valentine's and love. Tell me which one you like the best. Don't forget, if you participate, I usually create them by the 3rd Sunday of the month. So you can post yours and prepare yourself to post yours and have yours ready. I usually do mine. Again, post it on Instagram, Facebook, and use the hashtag ATC with me. Keep your creativity going. Thank you for joining me. And don't forget, this month's theme is love. So those are mine. I think they came out pretty cute. So thank you for being with me today. Sorry for shaking it. Be the reason somebody smiles. Talk to you all in my next video. Take care of yourselves and stay safe. Love you guys. Bye.